Hello everyone. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on applying for a New Zealand work visa in 2026. I am Linda, and I will be your guide. Today, we are diving deep into the Accredited Employer Work Visa, commonly known as the AEWV, which remains the primary pathway for international talent. Whether you are a skilled professional or a young traveler looking for a career move, understanding these 2026 updates is crucial for your success. First, let's talk about the core requirements. To apply for this visa, you must have a valid job offer from an accredited New Zealand employer. Employer accreditation ensures that the company is financially viable and complies with New Zealand employment and immigration laws to protect your rights. The employment offered must be full-time, which in New Zealand means at least 30 hours of work per week on average. Salary is another major factor. Your wage must meet specific thresholds, which are generally linked to the New Zealand median wage updated for 2026. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step application process. Step 1 is securing that job offer from a certified accredited employer. Once you have your offer, you need to create a RealMe account. This is the secure login used for all New Zealand government services. Step 3 is document preparation. You will need a valid passport, an employment agreement, and evidence of your qualifications and work experience. Don't forget health and character checks. Most applicants will require a medical certificate, and potentially a chest X-ray depending on your home country. Police clearances from any country where you have lived for 5 or more years since turning 17 are also mandatory. Moving on to costs and timelines. As of 2026, the application fee typically ranges between $750 and $820 New Zealand dollars. Processing times can vary, but most online applications are decided within 30 to 45 days if all documents are provided correctly. In summary, ensure your employer is accredited, check your wage against the 2026 standards, and have all your documents ready before applying. Always refer to the official Immigration New Zealand website for the most up-to-date information and hourly rates. Good luck with your application.